Hey there, welcome back to The Prompt. It's Jim Carter, and today I'm diving into a topic that's as monumental as it is microscopic: semiconductors. I'm talking about the lifeblood of our digital world, the tiny brains powering every gadget and gizmo you've come to rely on. Picture this: Sam Altman, the visionary at the helm of OpenAI, yes, the brains behind the groundbreaking ChatGPT, is going headfirst into uncharted waters. He's rallying the big guns, from government entities to the titans of industries, to secure a staggering round of funding. We're not talking millions or even billions here. We're talking about an investment in the trillions. You heard that right. Trillions, with a T. The mission: to supercharge the production of semiconductors on a scale that's hard to fathom. Now, why this colossal bet on chips, you might wonder? It all boils down to AI, the invisible force that's quietly shaping our future, from the palm of your hand to the car in your driveway. But here's the catch: to train these AI behemoths, we need an astronomical amount of computing power. And that power, it's all about the semiconductors. But as fate would have it, the demand for these tiny chips far outweighs our current capacity to crank them out. Altman's vision is to stand up basically a forest of chip factories, ensuring we've got a steady supply of the semiconductors that keep the wheels of AI turning. This isn't just another ambitious tech project. It's a paradigm shift in the making, with a price tag that dwarfs the GDPs of many nations. For those keeping count, he's looking to raise about 10% of the entire world's combined GDP. Consider the implications. This isn't just about feeding the insatiable appetite of AI. It's about laying the groundwork for the next era of technological innovation, ensuring that entrepreneurs, dreamers, and doers have the tools they need to turn their wildest ideas into reality. Imagine a world where the barrier to entry for tech innovation is not the scarcity of resources, but the limitlessness of human imagination. Now, it's not just Sam going after this endeavor. It seems the founder and CEO of major Japanese tech investment firm SoftBank, Masayoshi Son, has ambitious plans for the future of artificial intelligence too, to build a new chip-based startup. According to a new report that just dropped yesterday, Mr. Son is looking to raise a massive $100 billion for a new chip venture that will focus on developing semiconductors vital for powering AI systems as well. If successful in raising the full amount, it would be one of the largest startups in history, where SoftBank plans to contribute $30 billion itself. They're going head-to-head with AI chip leader NVIDIA. With control over core computer chips, SoftBank would have significant influence in the fast-growing world of artificial intelligence, not just in Japan, but around the world. Now, let's zoom out for a moment. What does this all mean for the landscape of technology and innovation? If Altman can pull this off, we're not just talking about producing more chips, we're talking about igniting a renaissance in technological innovation, a world where the question isn't can we build it, but what will we build next? You guys, this is a new frontier. It's a reminder to all of us to think big, to aim for the trillions, not just in terms of money, but in our ambitions, our dreams, and our aspirations. It's a call to action for everyone in our community to not just be spectators, but active participants in shaping this new era. And speaking of community, if you're as excited about the future as I am, I'd love for you to join me over at my AI Slack community. It's where we dive into the complicated but crucial topics just like this one and figure out how they best apply to businesses of all levels. It's a space for thinkers, dreamers, and doers, just like you. Check it out at fastfoundations.com/Slack. All right, so as we wrap up today's show, remember, the future isn't just something that happens to us. It's something we build together, one chip, one idea, one dream at a time. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll be back again soon to jump into the next AI and tech topic that affects you, me, and everyone around us, one prompt at a time.